How many times do you see these electrical problems people have driving themselves crazy with? And somebody will say, it's a bad ground. It's a bad ground. Well, I checked all the grounds. They look good. There's a factory ground, I'm sure. Okay, that to me did not look good. So here's what we got, really. This little tiny wire, this connection here doesn't look great. And then look, it's nothing but corrosion, and look what it's attached to. Paint. So yeah, that's not good. Somebody might say that looks good. Same with this one here. Here's several splices to a ground. Right here next to the battery. Right there, fuse panel. Here's the main one here from the battery to the body. I've already cleaned it up. And this is more like what you should have. See metal? And here, shiny metal. Take some of your ox guard, like so, put it here to prevent any corrosion in the future. That's a little heavy there, but just put them right on there. I like to put them together and then take them apart again to smear that stuff around good. But you get the idea. You know, that is what people would say looks good. Looks good. I didn't check them. I didn't take them off. There's no shine on that at all. And it's just corrosion to paint. The main ground. You gotta fix that stuff.